Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing how to make money online. Now, I must emphasize that making money online takes time, effort, and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, with the right strategies and a little know-how, anyone can do it. One popular way to make money online is through blogging or creating videos. If you have knowledge or skills that others might find useful or entertaining, you can also partner with affiliate programs, sell products or services directly from your platform, and even work with brands for sponsored content. The key is to create high-quality content consistently and build a loyal following. Another way to earn online is through freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers worldwide with clients looking for specific services such as writing, design, programming, or digital marketing. You can set your rates based on your experience and skills. And the more projects you complete successfully on these platforms, the more opportunities will come your way. Online courses are another lucrative way to share your knowledge and make money online. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera let you create courses in any area of expertise. You can choose to charge a fee for access or make it free, but allow users to donate if they find the content valuable. Remember that making money online requires dedication and hard work. Start with one strategy that aligns with your interests and skills, then grow from there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching.